Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress with Bluehost. First, navigate to the Bluehost website and select a hosting plan that aligns with your project's scale. Bluehost offers various options, from shared hosting to more robust solutions. Next, you will choose a domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. Finally, complete the simple account setup and payment process to activate your new hosting service. Once your Bluehost account is active, installing WordPress is incredibly simple. Bluehost is known for its user-friendly interface, often featuring a one-click installation process for WordPress. Head over to your Bluehost control panel, locate the WordPress installation option, and follow the intuitive prompts. In just a few moments, WordPress will be installed and ready for you to begin building your website. With WordPress installed, your next step is to log into your administrative dashboard. This is where you will manage all aspects of your website. Begin by updating your site's title and tagline, which are crucial for branding. Then, explore the vast library of themes available. Choosing a theme sets the visual foundation for your site, impacting its overall design and user experience significantly. Now that your WordPress site has a theme, it is time to create content. WordPress offers two primary content types, pages and posts. Pages are typically for static content, like an About Us or Contact page, which rarely changes. Posts are for dynamic, time-sensitive content, like blog articles. Start by adding a few essential pages, then publish your first blog post to engage your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.